dagat at pinaikutan sa himpapawid. Ganyan ang ginawa ng China sa dalawang magkahiwalay na pagpapatrol ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
15 minutong inikutan kahapon November 26 ng mga Chinese jet fighter ang isang Philippine Air Force patrol plane habang nagsasagawa ng maritime air patrol sa West Philippine Sea. Di naman daw ito nakaapekto sa misyon ng Air Force Super Tucano aircraft. Bago nito, binuntutan naman ng isang Chinese naval vessel ang Joint Maritime Patrol na isinagawa sa pagitan ng Australia at Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Pero hindi na raw ito ipinagtataka ng AFP.
This is not the first time that this happened. Nangyari na rin ito dun sa between
So, hi everyone, I am Emmanuel Dizon Ferriols. So, the fourth news in 24 oras is about agawan sa teritoryo. So, this thing is always happening in the past that China always bullying Philippines and saying that the West Philippine Sea is their South China Sea. And now the news about is the China is using jet to fight and conquer our location and area in the West Philippine Sea. So this issue is so long time ago that even the United States says that if the China will get a move to conquer the West Philippine Sea, the United Nations will help the Philippines to fight the China, because China is a big country compared to Philippines. And that's all. Thank you.